60-second cargo truck trailer thing. We got, introduce yourselves.
I'm Nicole.
Nicole.
I'm Jake.
Jake. This is Cruz. We got Gunner. We got Belle. Show us your rig.
Go on in.
How long have you guys lived in it?
I've been living in it since 2017. And Nicole, my wife, joined me about a year ago, I would say.
Yep, right after we got married.
Cool.
And we've been living in it ever since. So when we bought this, it was bone stock. We had, this is something that you'd buy off a lot, pretty much.
Show us around. Show us around.
Okay.
So you walk in and this is the home. We got all of our cabinets from Habitat for Humanity and just sanded them and painted them. And
That's nice, the flat wall, so you could do that.
Yeah, it's real good. And then these cabinets are just bolted straight into the frame, the metal frame of the trailer, so they're definitely not coming down.
What's the name of this thing?
oh, we actually haven't named it.
No name. What's your favorite part? What's your least favorite part?
There's a lot of favorite parts.
I like that it's custom. It feels really homey, and it's small enough where we can get into a lot of places that a lot of the bigger RVs can't get into.
My favorite's probably the countertop because I love cooking.
For sure.
Counter space for that.
And least favorite part.
Probably the fact that we sleep over our dogs because dog farts.
That's a good one. It's like in the middle of the night, we're just like who
Is that
farted?
you?
Probably this guy Cruz, right?
He's not getting enough attention.
He looks like he's got the big farts.
And back here's our shower, our custom shower.
Nice.
Toilet.
Oh, cool. Oh, wow. I never looked back here.
Yep.
Awesome.
So, and then I know a lot of people, when I made my video, people were always wondering how I did my plumbing. And it's pretty much just a bucket right there that goes into a pump that goes straight into this hot water heater.
Oh, nice.
We control the shower with this valve right here. So we can turn the shower on and off right here. And then since we're right close to the shower, we just play with the hot water from there.
Rad. I think we need a Van Ain't No Joke shout out or cargo trailering ain't no joke.
Cargo trailer ain't no joke.
Cool.